Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we build powerful Excel-based tools designed to simplify your workflow and save you hours of manual effort. If you've ever needed to figure out which time zones apply to specific latitude and longitude coordinates, we've got a solution that's fast, reliable, and completely Excel-powered. Today, I'm excited to introduce our Latitude and Longitude Time Zones Converter. This tool was built for professionals who work with coordinate data and need to quickly determine the correct time zone for any global location. Using the tool is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is paste your list of coordinates into the input sheet, click Generate, and the tool does the rest. It seamlessly connects to the Google Maps Time Zone API to pull in the appropriate time zone, including whether daylight saving time is currently active. You'll even get a clickable link that shows the current local time and date for each location. Perfect for quick reference, especially across teams working globally. Because it's all done in Excel, you can easily sort, filter, and analyze the data however you need. Want to clear the sheet and start fresh? Just hit the Clear button and you're ready to go again. If you have a custom use case, maybe you're mapping delivery schedules, tracking field teams, or running time-based simulations, just let us know. We're happy to modify the tool to fit your exact requirements. Over the past 16 years, we've helped more than 7,500 businesses, from tech startups to large enterprises, automate their processes and eliminate repetitive tasks using smart Excel tools. Our tools consistently earn praise for being intuitive, dependable, and incredibly time-saving. In fact, we've received over 140 five-star reviews on Google from happy customers who've seen real results. You can download the tool from the link in the description below. And if you ever have questions, need assistance, or want to explore more Excel automation tools, don't hesitate to reach out. You'll find our contact info in the description. And yes, when you reach out, you'll be speaking with a real person, not a bot. If this video helped you out, give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one of our updates or tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy calculating.